Hello viewers, this is Sensor Studio with news about the Israel-Iran war that defies common sense. This is Tehran. There has been a massive explosion in Tehran where a missile launch site is located. This is Tehran. It is said that a Special Forces unit's headquarters was located here but was destroyed by an Israeli airstrike. A mushroom cloud was seen in Isfahan on the other side of the Tehran mountains, indicating a large explosion occurred there. Videos and photos confirm the Israeli military experienced its first casualties in Iran. The Iranian military claimed to have shot down F-35 fighter jets and others, but there is no evidence like wreckage to confirm it, suggesting they failed to shoot them down. It has been confirmed that an Israeli military drone was shot down. The Israeli military has repeatedly attacked Iranian nuclear facilities. Israeli military sources reported that Israel launched airstrikes against Iranian centrifuge and missile production sites early Wednesday morning, deploying over 50 aircraft. The military authorities reported that the targeted facilities produced surface-to-surface and surface-to-air missiles. Iran released a video showing a military officer caressing a bomb bearing a radiation symbol. Some have raised questions about whether Iran is hinting at a nuclear attack. Iran's internet was nearly shut down today. Intelligence agencies said the measures were needed to counter foreign cyber attacks. Iran has previously shut down civilian internet during periods of national unrest. During the 2019 large-scale protests in Iran, over 100 people were estimated to have died. The government shut down the country's communications network for 6 days amidst the protests. Iran's supreme leader, Ali Khamenei Ayatollah, said in a post on X that the battle would begin in the name of the noble Haidar. Haidar is a name often used for Ali, whom Shia Muslims regard as the first imam and the successor to the Prophet Muhammad. Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps claimed that their missile strike on the 18th showed they have full control of Israel's airspace. In effect, they are claiming that they have taken control of Israeli airspace. They also stated that this marks the start of the end for the myth of Israeli military's air defense. Iran's National Security Committee chairman warned that targeting Iran's oil facilities could spread war across the Gulf region. Iran's United Nations ambassador said if proven that the United States was directly involved in the attack, Iran's military will respond. They won't respond until then. It appears United States President Trump has much to worry about. President Trump and his national security team met, but reportedly have not decided to attack Iran. ABC News reported that according to United States officials, if the issue is not resolved within 48 hours, President Trump will take military action. The United States Embassy in Israel will close from Wednesday to Friday due to the ongoing Israel-Iran war and has ordered the evacuation of embassy staff and their families. According to what Republican Senator Tim C. said in an interview with Cable News Network, Iran could stop the war as soon as tomorrow if it abandons its nuclear program. United States strategic assets are moving toward the Middle East. On this day, 7 C-17 transports and 3 KC-135 tankers left the United States, crossed the Atlantic, and flew to Europe. A United States government official stated that it seems Israel is currently running low on LO missile stock. LO missiles are interceptors, and their absence could create a significant gap in Israel's air defense. 5 United States Air Force transport planes were urgently sent to Israel, carrying additional interceptor missiles and ammunition. The Iran-Israel war is currently escalating into a proxy conflict between the United States and China. China has been confirmed to be consistently supporting Iran, sending at least 3 Boeing 747 cargo planes to the country. Thailand has advised its citizens currently staying in Iran to leave the country immediately. According to a poll by the Reagan Institute, 45% of Americans said they support Israel's airstrike on Iran. 60% of Republicans support the airstrike, while 32% of Democrats said they support it, and only 35% of independents are in favor. A YouGov poll found that 60% of Americans oppose a war with Iran. The International Atomic Energy Agency informed Cable News Network that there was no proof of an organized program to produce nuclear weapons in Iran. That ends the video. Thanks.